There's a boy going to school together with the dog and his bag, green bag. I mean, we're almost there. Konting push na lang and we're gonna be on the ground filled with joy, happiness, and cheerful faces. Together with Elsie Jane, we will conquer the road full of challenges and triumphs. Together, we will pass it. Together, we can conquer the challenges. Yes, promises in the heaven, in the sky. Alam niya, manghina og tiil. Uy, it's not giving naman akong tiil. My tiil is giving rocky road. It's so very hugal. And I'm so very hot. So very hot. I feel so hot. It's because of the temperature.
It's giving
And
heat.
they're going on a trip with their favorite rocket ship, and there is Anton together with their methodology on the PR1 that Saisai has been thinking about for maybe 24 hours because Anton has not yet given their methodology for their PR1, and Saisai is so nabalaka. What's the nabalaka in English? It's so worried. Yeah. Worried. Worried lang pala yun. Bobo talaga. It's already 1 minute and 47 seconds. Let's stop it again, and when it approaches into 2 minutes and 12 seconds, we're here at the gymnasium, in front of the gymnasium, and now we are here on the Pastilan Dolor. And there is Curvy na maganda, mabait. Bakit? Puso niya'y ginto. Puso niya'y ginto. That's why. And nakasumpan. Huh? What's dog? Okay, let's stop it.